Now, as we have said, frequency is the number of times a specified event occurs within a specified time interval. Now, what we've been talking about were the peaks of that signal and how frequently we saw those peaks over the time interval, usually measured in, as we measure them in seconds. And, but technically the definition of frequency, like I said, is how many times something happens over time. Now, we measure frequency in a term that we call hertz, named after the person who really came up with this idea. And when we think about 1 hertz, then what we're saying is that we would see 1 cycle per second. When we get into higher frequencies, like a kilohertz, then, using the metric idea here, kilo means 1,000 times, or it'd be 1,000 cycles per second. A megahertz would be 1,000,000 cycles per second. A gigahertz would be 1 billion cycles per second.